Hi guys, so we just received a new Hegel H590 reference integrated amplifier by Hegel. So today we're going to open up their box. Got my trusted Swiss Army knife to do all the work for me. Here we go. Hey, there you go. This is a nice little letter by Bent, who is the founder of Hegel, and he signs every single one of them on every single Hegel piece. It's quite personal. We love that. Our manufacturers taking their time to thank every single person that buys their product. This shows class. Here's their H590 manual. As you can see, has an index page, little note from Hegel's founder Bent, who is an awesome engineer who came up with several different new technologies that he's implemented in this. Then you have the remote control, which is very, very sturdy, nicely built with batteries and a power cord. But it's best to use a much better power cord. Helps in the performance of the product. We're gonna keep this so we don't lose anything. This is packed very, very well by Hegel. Andreas is becoming a really good friend. He works very hard at the factory, takes many pointers from dealers in what to make next and what improvements they should make. So as you can see, all the connections in the back, all the inputs, speaker terminals. Very, very simple design, very modern and clean look to it. It has a source knob and a volume knob with a power button underneath the unit. Has a built-in digital to analog converter and a streamer. This is going to get Roon certified here in a matter of weeks, so we're excited about that. It also has a MQA decoder with a special path, so when it sees a MQA signal, it uses that feature. Otherwise, it goes straight to standard features and PCM. It also does DSD for our friends and customers who have DSD material. Absolutely fantastic unit. It retails for $11,000 in the US, and it is an absolute beast. Hegel is absolutely the real deal when it comes to integrated amplifiers. They are going to make some great products in the near future too.